Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here with a free lead generating YouTube video for your best biz offer. So here's what you do to request your free video, whatever business you happen to be working. You're going to take a look at the post at the top of this video, and you should see your name. Example would be this name here, but it should be your name. It could be a group of names up here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on the person's, the team leader's name, such as Dennis here. In fact, let's click on Dennis. You're going to message Dennis and say, Dennis, hey, listen, I want a free video for my best biz offer. You're going to give Dennis your URL link to your best biz offer. You're going to type it in right here. Here's another example. Here's one of our team leaders, Dan Fox. So if Dan Fox happens to be your team leader and your name is up here, you're going to click on Dan's name and you're going to come down here, message, and then you're going to give Dan your affiliate link, your URL to whatever money-making opportunity, your best biz offer, and I'm going to make a video for you. One more example is another team leader. His name is Orlando. All you do is click on the name and click here to message and place your best biz offer referral link here. I have several other team leaders, sponsors, but I think you get the idea, so let's move on. For some reason, everybody has challenges promoting and selling ClickBank products and services. Video marketing is probably the best way to do it. So for example, we're going to scroll down here. This is a video I made for one of the free members. They're promoting ClickBank University, is what they're promoting. So I made a video with their ClickBank University affiliate link inside the video. I also made a Facebook group for them also. So let's take a look. So here's the Facebook group, and I placed their video on the Facebook group, and I went out there and I shared it with 20 other of my Facebook groups out there. And this video is ranking. In fact, let me show you how it ranks. This is a YouTube search. It's ranking with the competition. In fact, it's #1 right here. And remember, their ClickBank University affiliate link is inside of this video in the description, okay? Whatever ClickBank product or service you're trying to promote, not a problem. I'll do the same for you, not costing you anything. So I've got it ranked at the very top, and if you keep working your way down here, you're going to see all kinds of other ClickBank University related YouTubes, but they are ranked #1. If you're in the Bitcoin, altcoin, cryptocurrency, hypes, high yield investment, of course I have a Facebook group where you can post your best crypto opportunity. But for example, this free member, he is promoting Gram Free, which is a Bitcoin opportunity. So what I did is I made a Facebook group for him. His video, I put it out there. I shared it with 8 so far. And let's take a look how it ranked on YouTube. Ranked #2. And of course, his Gram Free Bitcoin opportunity referral link is inside his video. Here's another Bitcoin opportunity, ads earn Bitcoin. So scrolling down here, I did a free video for the member. Let's keep working our way down here. Fine, it's down here somewhere. Here's My Bitcoin Daily, by the way. I did a free video for him, My Bitcoin Daily. And let's keep working our way down here. Ads earn is down here someplace. Well, by the way, all these other videos are for specific opportunities that my free members have. Domains, Cost Club, and super list builder, and I mean, whatever money-making opportunity you have, I'll make a Facebook group and I'll make a video. So let's take a look at how ads earn Bitcoin, BTC, has been ranked. Ranked number 1 on top of all of the other competition right here. Here's one for Traffic Wave. Now Dan Fox, no relation by the way, happens to be a Silver Fox JV member, so I made one for him. I made a Facebook group for him. And if you come down here, here's his video. His referral link, his affiliate link is in this video. And let's take a look how it ranked. There it is. The competition's down here, and he is ranking number 1. So let's jump back to the ClickBank Affiliate Marketing Training Support and Discussion Group. I have around 600 Facebook groups out there. I probably generate from 100, maybe sometimes 200 leads a day from all my Facebook groups. Make sure that you ask your team leader, your sponsor, we'll work our way down here, how to become a Silver Fox JV member, such as Dennis. What I've done for Dennis here is these happen to be a handful of members who have joined this group, this Facebook group here for ClickBank. So what I do, Dennis is a Silver Fox JV member, I give out these leads. In fact, here's Dennis working away here, to my Silver Fox JV members. Now you can use these leads for whatever money-making opportunity you happen to be working. But every day I give out maybe 5, 6, 7, sometimes 10 leads a day to my Silver Fox JV members, just like this. And when you do contact Dennis, say, hey, listen, I want those leads. How can I get in on those leads that Harvey hands out? And Dennis is going to show you what you need to do to become a Silver Fox JV member to get leads like I give Dennis every day. Let's see if I have some more leads down here. Here's some leads I gave to Dan about 5 hours ago. There's about 6 or 7 of them. And here's a bunch I gave to Orlando about 5 hours ago. But this goes on all day throughout the day. By the time we get done here, all my Silver Fox JV members will probably have maybe 10, maybe 20 leads a day. I'm not guaranteeing anything. Here's Dennis working away. But as a Silver Fox JV member, I give these leads out. And you remember, when I produce a video for your free video for your prospects up here, your affiliate link stays in the video I make for them until they join, and then I will take your link out and put their link in your video, in their video. So in other words, the more videos you can get out there working for you with your links in there, the better chance you're going to have to make some really serious money. I know a lot of you are into Bitcoin. So there again, look at this. People are just posting away all kinds of leads from my JV members. So this is what I do. Right now, I have 7 people who want to join this Bitcoin Facebook group. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to show you right now, it's going to take too long, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute those leads. An example would be all the way down here. Okay. Like I have down here. Here's Dennis. Earlier this morning, about 5 hours ago, I gave Dennis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of these leads. These people are interested in Bitcoin, and of course I'll do a free video for their Bitcoin opportunity, and of course a Facebook group for them. And let's see, we have Dan down here. Dan got 5 hours ago, got close to 6 or 7 of them, and Orlando got, looks like, close to 10. As a Silver Fox JV member, that's what I do for you. And if you have a Bitcoin opportunity, you must become a Silver Fox JV member, because look at these leads I give you. Look at all these leads I give you. And you can share whatever money-making opportunity with all these leads here. Okay, you know what to do. contact, click on your team leader's name, message them saying, hey, listen, here's my link for my best money-making opportunity, plus tell me how to become a Silver Fox JV member so I can share in the leads just like you're doing, all right? So I'll be waiting for you inside. I'll be waiting to produce and make a free video and a Facebook group for your best business opportunity.